So first we're going to export all of these layers of your drawing separately. So we're going to start from like the bottom. And then you're going to like save image, and it should be like transparent here. And then just press OK. And then we're going to do for this second one, so which is like the same thing. And then you keep doing for all the body parts. Now we're in a light motion, and we're going to start a new project. You can pick whatever like size you want. And then we're going to select the layers you just exported. And then click this right here. And it should like put it together as a whole body. Now we're going to name all the body parts, but this is completely optional, but this might make things easier for you. Now for pivot points, we are going to click this right here, and then we're going to like move the dot right here for the face. And for the bang, it's going to be right here because we're going to have to rotate it like this. And then for the front hair, we're going to just put a pivot point like right here, I guess. And we're going to put like one here, another one here. And basically you just like repeat it. Now we're going to add like the body parts together, so we're going to click this, and the face should connect to the head. So basically anything that belongs on the head, for example, like a bang, is you're going to connect it to the head. So it's a bang, it's of course going to connect to the head, but if it's like an arm or something like that, it's going to connect to the torso. So they will move together. Now when you're done, it should all connect like this, or something like this. And now we're going to do the animation. So for the head, we're going to say you want to like move it up and down. We're gonna start by putting like a keyframe, one here, and then we could put one like make it down, go down like this. And then we are going to try this first. It is free. This is all free if you are willing to watch some ads when you export it. And now we're going to like, we can do like any bouncing animation like this, and we're probably going to do the same for the torso. So we're going to copy and paste, copy curve, and then we're going to do the same thing for the torso. Just a little lower like this. And then we're gonna paste, click here, and then we're gonna paste the curve. And it should do this, like together. And the skirt, we're gonna do the same thing for the skirt. So you basically just like repeat this, and then you paste the curve again, like this. So, and then we're going to start with the rotating part. And for the rotating part, we're gonna add a keyframe. We're gonna like click this, and we're gonna add a keyframe, and then go to the end, but then we're gonna like move the bang a little bit. And we can make like something like this. And then we're gonna copy the curve because we're gonna use this for everything else. For the front hair, I guess we can move it like this. We're gonna have like this, and then it's gonna move to here. Paste curve. And now the bang should move like this. And like I said, we could do the same thing for the bang. We're gonna do to like where we want to rotate it. Maybe we're like, if we can rotate it like this. And then we're gonna paste the curve to like this. And then we're gonna do the same thing for the other one. It has to go the same direction as the other, so it makes sense. And we're gonna paste the curve again. So it should look like this. Maybe we could add like the head like a little lower, and maybe add some movement to the eyes, so like this, and then we can so it has more movement. Now we're gonna do the head. We can like start the animation of the head like this, and then we're gonna tilt this back because of the hair, how the hair looks, and then we're gonna paste the curve, and then it should look like this. And like it's the same thing for the torso, but you can like tilt it a little less, like this, and then we can paste the curve like this. Maybe for the arms we could do like this kind of movement, and then you can like raise it a little up like this, so it's like this, and then we can like same thing for the other arm, which can be like this, and then we can put another keyframe, and then it can be like this, and then we can paste the graph like this. And for the skirt, it's like pretty much the same thing as we did for the others. We're gonna start like this, and then we're gonna like rotate it to here, and then we're gonna paste the graph like this. Last is the ears, so it's the same thing again, once again. We can like put it like here, and then maybe like raise it up a little, and place the curve, and then we're gonna do this for the other ear.